When disaster strikes, access to fresh food can be limited, and that's where smart survival planning comes in. A great way to stay prepared is by stocking your pantry with shelf-stable ingredients that can create simple yet hearty meals. Today, we'll explore how to make survival chicken noodle soup. This is not just a comfort food. It's a well-balanced, nutritious meal that can be made entirely with long-lasting pantry items. Whether you're in an emergency or just prepping, this soup is a survival essential. Let's dive into the steps. Let's talk about why we're using shelf-stable ingredients. Canned, freeze-dried, or dehydrated foods are essential in any survival kit because they can last for months, if not years. Ingredients like canned chicken, vegetables, and dried pasta provide the calories, protein, and vitamins needed to keep you going when fresh foods are unavailable. Having these on hand allows you to quickly whip up a meal without relying on electricity or refrigeration. Here's what you'll need to make survival chicken noodle soup. Canned or freeze-dried chicken. Protein is key in any survival situation, and chicken offers both nutrients and a decent shelf life. Freeze-dried chicken rehydrates quickly and retains its texture, making it ideal. Broth or bouillon cubes. If you don't have liquid broth, bouillon cubes work just as well. Store several cubes in your pantry, as they last long and take up little space. Use about 1 cube for every 2 cups of water. Canned veggies. Carrots, onions, and celery are the classic trio for chicken noodle soup. Canned carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, while canned or dehydrated onions and celery add flavor and essential vitamins. Keep these handy for any emergency. Pasta or egg noodles. Dried pasta lasts for years when stored properly. Egg noodles are a traditional choice for this soup, but any pasta will do. Keep them in a cool, dry place to maximize their shelf life. Cooking this soup is as easy as it gets. Start by sautéing your canned or dried veggies in a bit of olive oil. If you have it, this adds extra flavor and calories. Once your veggies are soft, add your chicken and broth. Bring everything to a boil, then toss in your pasta or noodles. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it. Your survival chicken noodle soup is ready to serve. Not only will this meal give you energy, but it's also easy to digest, which is crucial in high-stress situations. One of the best things about this soup is its versatility. You can adjust the recipe based on what you have. No chicken? Try using canned beans or another source of protein. Don't have noodles? Rice or barley works as a substitute. The goal is to create a balanced meal with whatever you have in your pantry, so don't be afraid to get creative. Additionally, this soup is easy to scale up. Just double the ingredients if you're preparing for a group or trying to make leftovers. So, to wrap up, survival chicken noodle soup is a must-have recipe for your emergency preparedness. Stock up on canned or freeze-dried chicken, veggies, bouillon cubes, and dry pasta. With these basic ingredients, you can create a nutritious, comforting meal that will fuel you through any situation. Remember, flexibility is key. Use what you have on hand and keep things simple. Now's the time to prepare. Take a moment to stock your pantry with these key ingredients and practice making meals like this before disaster strikes. Survival is about being ready for anything, and having a reliable meal plan is a great place to start. If you found this helpful, make sure to share it and subscribe for more survival tips. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep thriving no matter what life throws your way.